to be a kid, when they asked me what I wanted to become when I grew up, I always said, dirty old pervert.
Me too.
Got a little long jacket, jumped in front of mirrors practicing flashing. I was walking in the city center. A guy approached me and said, Jesus loves you. I thought a Mexican guy called Jesus was declaring his love to me. I thought, let Jesus ask me out himself. When I'm masturbating, I just go from one joke to another. I don't do sandwich. I don't waste your time. When I'm masturbating,
Yeah!
if you laugh, I'll keep saying that. When I'm masturbating,
Again!
Say the line.
Preach!
when I'm masturbating,
Will somebody take control, please? Yeah!
when I'm masturbating, I should have said that. And when I hear a noise, it incorporates itself into my fantasy. I was fucking 3 ethnic chicks in my fantasy, and the dog began to bark outside. Now I'm fucking 2 ethnic chicks and a Labrador retriever. Is it prostitution if it's your job to collect semen from farm animals? You're serving them. You're getting paid. It is sexual to at least one of the parties involved. If the bull saw you as a brother, I don't think he could come quick. I bet slugs and snails don't need lubricant when having anal sex. Birds don't care about pants. If birds cared about pants, we would have way less naked assholes flying over us. And we would have way cleaner cars. All wardrobes are walk-in wardrobes if you're willing to crouch. All restaurants are drive-through restaurants if you don't mind going to prison. Scientists discovered genetic Eve, the mother of all of us. What a slut! How many people did she fuck? I wanna start a mixed martial arts fighting organization where I only let vegans fight. It will be the safest fighting organization ever. I want to start an air guitar championship, which is even more imaginary. There's no guitar, no music, no person who's playing it. You just gather around and imagine everything. It's way more fun. I imagined a hipster hippopotamus play a tiny saxophone. It was really fun. News from the future. Hitler travels forward into the future and kills all those people who said they would kill baby Hitler. I want to open an orphanage for all those babies who were thrown away with bathwater. I keep wondering, if you're going to throw the baby away, why do you wash it first?
Sorry.
It can take a while. Do you think most babies are nudists? Or do parents neglect to dress them often? And why are these nudist babies trying to sell me toilet paper all the time? I called the wrong number on purpose. When the guy picked up, I convinced him that he picked up the wrong phone. He apologized and promised that it would never happen again. I used to own a parrot and I watched a lot of porn. At a certain point, I couldn't trust the parrot around children any longer. So I donated to a church. The pastor said, "Don't worry, we will get along. We have a lot in common." I thought, oh my God, here we go again. Turns out, the pastor has a Tourette syndrome that makes him shout profanities. I'm not a Christian, but I joined his church immediately. It was worth it. And then God said, "Let there be..." "Sheila, you can't mess with the hair, haha!" Light. I'm sorry, Sheila. And that was it from me.